How to delete sticker on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to delete the sticker, you will have to open your Messages app. So open the Messages app and then open a conversation with anyone. Further, tap on the plus icon you see there on the bottom left of your screen, and in the menu that appears, you will see the option for stickers. Tap on that and then go to the Sticker Customize tab, and once you're in the Customized Stickers tab, you will see various stickers that you have saved on your iPhone. Simply tap hold on the sticker that you want to delete and you will see the delete option. Tap on that and with this, the sticker will be deleted. So this is how you can delete sticker on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.